Pete Tong, and I'd like to welcome you to Point Blank. If you want to learn from professional producers, Grammy Award-winning songwriters, remixers and DJs, then this is the place to do it.
If you're starting out on your journey into music, or are looking to add to your current skill set, we welcome you to the home of electronic music.
You know, I said, well, I've been doing music for so long now that I wanted to really go to the right place to take it to the next level. So I did a lot of research, and this is the place that's come up.
A major factor of choosing Point Blank was because the tutors had industry experience.
I mean, these guys were real-life case studies. Everything to do with how they got to where they were, the volume of work they had, the type of work they were doing is fascinating.
Some of the teachers usually don't name drop though till like a couple weeks in. Like I had one teacher who, you know, he showed us all this stuff, and then 3 weeks later he says, oh, by the way, I've been producing for Madonna and Snoop Dogg and Busta Rhymes.
All of our tutors are music and media industry professionals. We employ leading personalities from all areas that we teach.
Since the course, I've just looked back and thought, to have a studio I could just book out and go in and use all the equipment for free, it's amazing.
Every studio is just awesome. The live studio, I love that one because I can go drum in it. I mean, the DJ studio is sick.
The students, fear not, they'll be going out into the big wide world of the music industry, knowing that they've used equipment that's being used by the people they look up to.
Everyone's here for one thing we have in common, which is music.
I'm all the way from Africa just because of this.
If you want to listen to a rock band one night, you can go and do that. If you want to go to an after party, there's one always on. Like, with really good DJs.
London is a excuse my French, but this is where it's at.
All the contacts are here, the agencies are here.
Over the years, Point Blank has made contacts in many areas of the industry. Labels, publishers, management agencies, pluggers, you name it.
I thought it was all going to be just drum and bass and house guys and DJs here. It's actually, there's a lot of other musicians like guitar players, violinists, pianists.
The place is full of creativity, and it's evident as soon as you walk through the door. There's been some really good talents come through here.
It doesn't matter what level you're at. Point Blank caters to your ability and experience.
A lot of new things have happened in Ableton and Reason and all these programs, so I signed up for this Ableton class. It was really great. I learned tons of stuff.
You can teach in all those new tricks, apparently.
While you're studying with us, you'll learn to complete your tracks to a professional standard and can release an EP with the likes of iTunes, Beatport and Juno Download.
Music is a competitive business, so you've got to give yourself a head start. Take a look around the website and find the course that's right for you. If you're serious about your music, Point Blank is where you want to be.